love this garden. This garden is my happy place. The students named it last year Fairmont Children's Garden, and it is really an outdoor learning space where we can share our skills and love of food and gardening with the kids. We do a farm to school curriculum with the kids here, and we have partnered with the Purdue Master Gardeners. The reason it has been so successful here is because Mrs. Gahan has just said yes to everything. You know, everything that is for her kids, she's all for. So when we first started out here, we just had 3 boxes, and over the last 2.5 years, we've been able to add boxes that we have corn in. We've got eggplant, we've got edible hibiscus out here this year, we've got a big strawberry patch.
This garden is, we found out, is a lot of the children's happy place. When they come out here, you can just see the smiles on their faces. They love digging in the dirt, and harvesting I think is one of their favorites. And when we have our cooking demos, that is also one of the favorites. But I think the best is getting their hands in the dirt, planting, and a couple of weeks ago we dug potatoes, and they really love that. And we have planted some more, so we'll get to watch that all over again. That's going to be fun to watch.
Well, there's so much that they can learn here. They learn everything from, for instance, we did a lesson on how to read a seed packet, so then they're reading words that they may not have seen before, expanding their reading levels. There's math in the garden. There's science in the garden, but then there's stuff like life skills, like sometimes things don't work out the way you think they're going to, right? So being resilient, and sometimes you have to start over.
Yeah, I like to smell the fresh air, and I like nature and like hearing birds chirp and stuff like that. I like enjoying animals.
My favorite thing, I don't really have a favorite thing because I like everything in the garden, but my most favorite thing is like tasting and learning about the stuff that you can do in the garden. It takes a lot of responsibility to garden.
Let Us Learn is we're a super small nonprofit. We are all volunteer run, and we really do depend on the community to help us grow, and they have not let us down. And we want to thank everybody in the community that has come and volunteered or donated. We just really appreciate all the support that we've gotten.